We're fixing a bug with uploading files, deleting characters in the Markdown editor.
Okay, so if I have like something like this, right?
Mhm.
I mean, this is funny. Okay, let's do it like this. Set interval, like just out of. Sorry, I'm like a console log guy.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Right.
Cool. So this now prints like 3, 3, right? If I select like 3 to 4, it prints 3 to
yeah.
4.
Yep.
And so my assumption is that just like, okay, before selection, we have a substring that goes from 0 to 3, right? Substring is not inclusive, is it? 0 index number, end of substring, the substring. I don't want any. The substring includes the characters up to, but not including the end. See, classical one-off mistake. Because if you just have your cursor at 3, it will select 0 to 2, and then it will start at 3, missing 3.
No,
Right?
wait.
Cool. Okay, imagine I have this.
Wait. If start and I hear what you're saying, but if start and end are both 3.
Yes. So we are here, right? Like this is the cursor, right?
Right.
So if we have caret start, 0 to caret start would be, so this would be AB, right? And you're saying carets.
No, it would be 0, 1, substring is the ending
Wait,
index.
I have a question. It's 0 indexed, right?
Right. So it should be
No, look, 0, 1, 2. So we have 0, 1, 2.
yes.
It's the cursor, the selection is from 3 to 3, so it's before 3, right?
Yeah, it should be those 3 characters.
If I select from 0 to 3, yes, it should be the 3 characters, right? So we have A, B, C here. And then if we start again, we have, no, 3 is not included. 0, wait, I'm sorry, I'm bad with things. So here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we select from 0 to 3, so the 3 are selected, and then okay. So this one seems to be all right.
I think so.
Before selection. Oh, I don't want smartness and AI. So this one seems all right, right? Value length. Insert into text area. Selection start. Caret start. What is it doing here? Oh, index.
Yeah, that seems interesting. Set the selection range.
Replace.
But this is
Fine.
okay, but this is still
This is unsuccess, yeah. So this seems all right. I don't know. Is there stuff happening here? Value. Text area. Form. Query selector or ref. And drop zone. Like. So do we do things here? Update text. Insert into text area. Like, where's this called? generated by AI, saved reply. Okay, so this is definitely not relevant. Handle quote, replace text area, handle quote. What is handle quote? Ah, quotes in the sense of like, yeah, I mean, I'm still, if you want to debug on your end, like I'm confused why there's backspace. Do you know the key code from backspace?
Yeah, yeah, it might be something like that. Maybe we could try this out. Maybe in the browser, are we able to break on the input changing?
Shoot. I just stopped the screen share and reopened Slack. Let me just close Slack and then open the screen share. I mean, we can, I don't know what kind of, I mean, let me just, while we're talking, who uninstall in rule list? Wait, I might have, where's my, this is the Chromium I use, brew install Chromium. Or is it reinstall? Okay, cool. My Chromium should be working in any second, but you're right. We probably should be able to set like debugger.
I think if you on the inspector, we might be able to. On the text area, I'm wondering if we could do it like on
Yeah. Attribute break on, I don't
attribute
know.
modification, maybe. Maybe that counts. No breaks.
Oh wait. I actually didn't see if it deleted something. Oh, no, okay, no breaks. Let's just use Chromium then.
Let's go Chromium.
Want you to do anything. I mean, except modification. Yeah, come on. For until restart any connection. Who cares?
Is it modified?
Oh, the font sizes are all messed up. Okay, cool. So you're saying in the inspector,
Oh yeah, you're gonna love it, man.
yeah, I mean I'm fine with the thingy.
I
So
went
you're saying break on for
well
state.
now that we're in Chromium. I think the easier thing to do would be to if we go listen to the button listener.
Where does it say that?
Sorry, not in the menu right now, but if we actually select the
Oh,
toolbar,
yes,
yes, the
this
button
one. Yeah.
over there in the right, there's a really cool thing called event listeners. Yeah, man.
Yes.
And so we can actually do
Ah, okay.
yeah.
Jesus, what the heck?
We love listening to things. But it also does like it does, I think it inherits stuff. If you go to the top, you'll see the drop zone. Is there a drop down one or drop zone one or
There's actually three.
oh yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Wait. Help us, JS.
Oh, but you know what I realized? Go ahead and do ancestors again because I think uh we want to listen to the whatever. If we go down to click, there'll be one on the DZ. Where is it going to be?
Text markdown? Isn't it just easier to... Where is the freaking console sources? I mean, event listener breakpoints,
Ooh,
drag and drop. There should be one that is just like everything.
there's a
Probably
mouse one
mouse.
for clicking.
Yep, cool. And then we can just click it. Cool. Init popover. Okay.
Not you, man.
Why does this? Oh, this thing has a popover. Why are they loaded multiple times? Global mouse event listeners. What? On click, we trigger the popover to not show it later on? That's ridiculous.
This is all of our like document off click listeners, right? Drop lab,
Yeah.
document off click.
And
There's another popover listener doing a document off click.
jeez. Auto. Wait. This is interesting. GFM autocomplete. Matcher. What is this one doing? Get the Why is there an autocomplete matcher now? Okay, no match, so oh god. Aha. No. This is interesting. What are we doing?
This at who is figuring itself out. I had no idea this stuff would run on one click.
Right.
That's wild, man.
So like, oh, yeah, it is wild. Like, how is the website even working? Okay.
More
Global mouse listeners. Document click.
oh yeah, we're in drop lab.
This hooks. Update text.
Who called this? Where are we in update text? Update text for toolbar button? I think this has got to be it. What is going on there? What is this?
Toolbar button.
No, what's update text for toolbar button?
Yeah, feel free to have a look, but like, I think this is just like updating the text of the toolbar button itself. Transform. What happens if I run again? Ah, that's good. So if we have something that doesn't seem to be relevant, we can just go and play. Document clicked. Wait. Okay. No, I want like, I can just move this one, right? Okay, cool.
I
Thanks.
think this is it, man. I think this is
Okay. Let me just reload again. Let me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Because then it's clear when G is removed. And jeez. That's problematic, right? Because we shouldn't lose I mean, let me just click through it because, okay. So now if I click this, pop over, we don't care. This is Sentry, we don't care. Toolbar button. This is a toolbar button.
Yeah,
huh?
we care about toolbar button.
Okay. Stepping forward.
Don't care.
Pop over event, we don't care. Like, and so far it's good because G is still there, right? Let me just click until G isn't there anymore. Update text for toolbar button.
That's it. That's it. It's update text for toolbar button. That's the thing. Can we add just a breakpoint just to that method and we can stop the clicking?
Can I go back?
I can give you the file.
Oh wait. Wait, handle pop over like sheet shoot.
The file should be
text markdown.
Yes. Yes.
So we add a breakpoint here. We don't do this. We continue. We go here. We click the button again.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna fix it. I'm so excited.
No, it did it before. Oh no, it didn't do it yet, right?
Yeah, because we have our breakpoint. It's about to. All right.
So
it's gonna be in this update text thing. If we what's going on? Oh no.
like okay. Toolbar button, this. Text area closest. Cool.
611 is the function I think we're interested in.
Yeah. 611, update text. It gets the text value.
Oh, I bet we have to update to jQuery 4.
Don't make jokes, man. Select the text. Oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, now it makes sense. You see it? I see it.
I don't know, man.
It's pretty simple. Look, selected text. We are now selecting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're selecting text substring 6 to 6. So let's try that out in the console. A, B, C, D, E, F. Substring 6, 6. Right? It's empty string? Now I'm confused.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I don't think that's gonna be it.
Okay, go further. Substring.
I think it'll be
Text is A, B, C, D. Selection start, selection end. So do we can Jesus.
what is this
Can we
start and end again? Can we highlight the selection start and end?
yeah
Is that
6 and 6.
I think we're good. Let's keep moving forward.
Okay, cool. I thought like selection end
Yeah.
is
I think
good. So we focus into the thing.
Yeah, and then insert markdown text. Let's see what's going on there.
Insert markdown text. Okay, let's jump into insert markdown text. Okay.
What are our
Insert
parameters? What is text right now?
Can we should see it, right? Text is A, B, C, D, E, F. Selected is nothing. Is editor existing? Editor is undefined. Text area. Okay, let's just continue.
Can we pause real fast? Are we? I click a button, and are we? I have no selections, but are we now inserting the entire text back into the?
Looks like it.
Maybe if the maybe we should just short circuit the, not to do this.
Let's just find the thing that
Okay.
breaks it, right? Like so. Okay, next step.
Okay.
Cool. I'm just going to close these. Okay. Cool. All values unavailable. Boom, boom, boom. Editor is not selected to string. Cool. Selected is the empty string. If tag is link tag pattern. I don't think that's true. If the remove.
If we have
okay. If text area. Okay. Wait. Selection end minus selection start is 0, right? Okay, so we will probably not do anything. We split the text now. Editor wrap is beginning. So the text is still like whatever, right? Remove.
It's
Move
gone.
cursor.
It's gone, man.
Wait, it is?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Wait.
Setting a breakpoint here, starting all over again.
Wait.
Wait, I'm just like.
Man, these parts of this is like one of the most highly used features of GitLab is comments.
I actually have an idea why it's happening. Like why some logic is doing this. So we have a split. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, text area, blah blah blah. Okay, what are we doing here? Like where? Start char isn't wrap. Okay. So we're all good here. So here's fine. Remove first new line.
Skip over that. What's text to insert right now? What is text to insert?
It's empty. Wait, let me just add a breakpoint here and a breakpoint
It's
there.
360 is the one where it went away. Yeah. Okay, let's jump into there.
Let's just like insert text.
Can we wait? Why in the world does that function have a bunch of like letters to it?
No idea. So this would be, I would now be doing.
I think we want to dive into the third button. Yeah, jump into. Yeah, step into it. Oh, this is in common utils.
I'm insert text selection, start selection, end. I have like, okay, so what do we have? Here the parameters are the area, the text we enter. So, okay, target. Cool. We have selection start, right? This is 6, selection end, and a value ABCDF. Value substring from 0 to 6. So it should be the whole string because the string has like a length of 6. And then this should be empty, right? If text isn't okay, it's not a it's a text, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so text before is ABCDEF, text after is 0. If not exec insert a test. Wait, what? What is this? What? What is happening now? Exec insert text.
That's a different function that returns like a pass fail boolean.
Yeah, okay, it's this one, right? Like,
So let's dive into that function.
if the text is empty, so we're actually removing like inserted text. Inserted text is just like an empty string, right? Like, let's jump one more.
Yeah.
Inserted text is an empty string. So let's jump
Oh,
into that
look,
function.
it's gonna execute delete. That's it, man.
It's executing delete.
That's it. That's it.
But why?
Why?
What is exec command delete? Never heard of it.
Dude, we found it. But why?
But why? You know, I actually have a feeling because if we go to rich text editing, right? And we add a file. I don't even know what kind of file it is. See, it doesn't happen.
If you do what? Did you just drag and drop or?
No. Like A, B, C, D, E, right? Attach. What am I even adding here? This is all right.
Oh no, is this your taxes?
No, this is just like some Hebrew lessons.
Oh, nice.
Oh, see that? Like it doesn't even go into these functions. What? Why are we executing delete there? So that's interesting. Like this whole thing is a complete short circuit, right?
I think, yeah, something seems, are you in, I don't normally see the links looking like that. Why does that look different?
Because rich text mode.
Yeah, that's going to be different, I think.
Yeah, but I mean, it's in the end, it's doing the same function calls, right? Like, or
No, I don't
thought.
I don't think so. See, that did the little delete thing.
Okay. But why? What? Like, the problem now with this delete. What was it again?
Here's the reason. here's why it might want to delete is if you did have something selected, it probably is just like, oh, we want to just delete the thing you select.
Yeah, but then I would say insert the text. Is this the only place we inserted, right?
Yeah, but
Like
this
I would say text equals, it probably should delete, right? And should delete should be selection start.
oh dude, the comment says oh my gosh, man.
Exec command is officially deprecated. However, for insert text, there is currently no alternative. We need to use it in order to trigger the browser's undo tracking when we insert text.
Yeah, it has to do with undo tracking.
So like
That's the whole reason we do it this way.
A, B, C, D, yeah. Okay. So in order to be able to do that. The clipboard API can be used, but exec command is still sometimes useful. In particular, the clipboard API doesn't replace the insert text command. So, but like, oh, interesting. You know the thing that I don't understand? In the successful case, right? Like where's my Chromium, right? Like, I mean, go forward, like go nuts.
Oh wait, yeah. I just saw
Like,
something.
wait a second. Like if I add something here, right? And it's actually successful. Cool. Like, what is the next one? Okay, we can remove this breakpoint. So, text to insert. Why is the text to insert empty?
Yeah,
Because
maybe we should just not do anything if it's empty, right?
no, I think that the whole call. Wait, why did it break? It
I think
should upload the
we
file.
lost our breakpoint on the probably on that thing.
No, but I mean, I uploaded a file. It should just work, right?
Oh, I mean you're
I think the file upload maybe is broken because we're breaking. Um, what?
what calls insert text? What are to
It's
it?
called by insert markdown text.
I'm I'm trying to see this. Yeah.
Insert markdown text. Text markdown.
I'm kind of wondering if like
There was like a switch case somewhere. I assume because like this function, for example, does it the same, goes down the same path, right?
so it does seem like insert text is the funnel that we try to do all this through so that we can use the browser's baked in undo behavior for the input, which is kind of cool, but clearly not obvious in the code. I feel like I saw out of the corner of my eye really quickly some condition for like should delete. Was that like in a commit history or did you see that? Yeah.
What do you mean?
Is this wait,
I
we're not
added that.
oh, you just added that. Okay, I was like, that
Yeah.
sounds like oh, it sounded like a really good idea. Maybe that's just our very quick fix to this.
So like I'm even confused by this. So like we're going a code, like we click the button and text is empty here, right? It's now triggering delete. The alternative is that it inserts text. And in our case, it would insert like an empty text, right?
Right. Here's the use case, I think, why it works this way and why we want to do the should delete thing that you just put there.
It's if you select actually something, right?
Yes, it should delete it if I actually have something selected. It's doing the right.
No, even wrong, because if I click this and I cancel, does it now delete the whole thing?
I think it will. It
No,
doesn't?
it didn't.
What? Really?
Ah, text to insert. I mean, let's do it again. We have the breakpoints, right? Cancel. Continue. Selected text to string. Okay. Continue. We have now insert text, text to insert. Yes. So the problem is literally if you're selecting nothing, because otherwise it's currently replacing the text.
Okay. But what's tough is we use that insert text function in a number of other places. So I think
Yeah.
we have to update insert text to try to make cohesive sense on its own outside of this issue with the attached file thing.
I don't know, because I think I think that the upload button is a special case. Like the function that actually led us down the path of insert text, like I'm trying to find it again, basically. Okay, insert text. Oh, okay. So this is the function that we're debugging, like the insert markdown text. Insert markdown text, where are you used? Add markdown listeners, JSMD, markdown listeners. Like I don't even understand. I think that the button, like the file upload button, should never call these APIs
Yes, 100%.
because it if we need to do some stuff differently to have it in the history, we would need to do it in the file upload handling and not here, right?
Yes.
Yes. So let's just like out of interest, we have the markdown header here. Where's the drop zone? So which class is the toolbar button? Yeah, so this is just like the shared stuff, right? Like toolbar button, it has JSMD, it does the insert markdown text, right? Editor get selected, editor get value, like insert markdown text. I mean, what are we inserting? Markdown MD
So this is like if you hit the bold button, like
Yeah,
it's from that toolbar button is like, oh, I don't have to handle all the click listeners. The bold just defines the bold button will just define what the tags look like. Like there's like the empty table thing. You see, like we just specify the tags and stuff there and it automatically knows how to do it.
yes.
The one thing though is we should have a handler here. And so there's man, I really need my notebook. The last meeting I had two takeaways. I think I forgot what they were. But there are two takeaways here. One is if we have no content to input from the button itself, these button
Yeah.
handlers just not do anything 100%. We
So
should do
you what MD, so the problem is like we have MD tag, MD block, there are like multiple properties here, right?
yeah.
That
And
define the behavior of this insert markdown text. And what you're essentially saying is that we don't do any of them, right? Like in the
yeah,
in the
I'm saying insert markdown text should actually have a guard clause at the beginning. And if it's like, if we're not actually going to make any changes, let's just stop.
you say if text is empty, right? So this is the thing that I'm not sure about. Oh no, if the added text is empty, right? Like so insert markdown text has like multiple things, text like Jesus, this is like
You just
block
check,
tag.
you just got to check all of them, you know?
You just it's like a 200 line function, right? Like text to insert. Like what is I mean, like the thing that I'm saying, right? Like either the quickest fix would be to not have this be a toolbar button, right? Because but I assume because of this we need stuff like
I think there's styling probably like
That's also interesting. Like,
Tracking.
yeah, it's styling, classes, okay, whatever, but like it doesn't have any of these, right? So like it doesn't define any of these. Should there be like a data MD ignore? And if data MD ignores on the text, we just never do the thing.
Yeah, that's another way. I like that too.
Like
Um,
insert text,
yeah,
insert markdown text. Yeah, update text. Oof, this is just like it's called so many times, like 4 times.
yeah,
Why is there no event handler here so that you can follow the thing?
yeah,
Click handler should be here. Like, I mean, it should. It's like we don't have the click handler here. We have like jQuery set up to handle all insert markdown text, which is like super confusing, right?
yeah. I imagine this is evolving from, you know, I imagine this is not rewritten from scratch, you know?
No, all good, like all good. But basically, the bug that we have is that all of this must not be used. So I'm actually wondering, like what does it do properly in the end? Because what you actually want to do is you want to do the insert, you probably want to do the insert markdown text with the proper link to the file, right?
Yeah. Well, and I think that happens in the drop zone stuff.
Yeah,
And I think drop zone is working as expected. I think we have two issues. One is that insert text function. It's
yeah,
a huge assumption. You're totally right. We need to should delete to check if there's actually a selection because there's weight difference if I'm trying to insert empty text upon a selection versus insert empty text upon no selection. If there's a
yeah.
selection, let's delete it. If there's no selection, deleting is going to get rid of the character. And I think we got to fix that function because that could actually be other issues as well. Um,
Deletes the current selection, yeah.
so I think we need to first check is there a selection before we just call delete. I think that's a really good call. That fixes that unit that's used across other things. And then I
Yeah.
think here is like, yeah, we don't need to run any of this on
The
that.
only question that I have now, like, do we have a use case where inserted text actually should be zero? Should be like an empty string, right? Like,
That's what
where's
we
the
came across when we didn't have anything selected. That's what we were seeing, right? But you're saying we shouldn't even run it. I don't. I see what you're saying. I don't know. I think the code is so legacy, you just can't make assumptions about it. You know?
I don't know. Jeez. Uh,
It,
Philippa, Dauer. Um, oh yeah. So here's the commit. Oh, I want the commit hash. Give me the commit hash.
that insert text function is used a lot.
Yeah. But I still wonder where, like, why, like, I wanted the history about it. Like, why does someone delete something if the insert text is empty?
Yeah.
Like, what is the valid use case for calling this with an empty text is what I'm asking,
I
right?
think it's so here's an edge case. It's just a huge assumption. It's like this function was written to test, or at least as it is, it's making the assumption you have a selection. It's trying to like catch that case, but it's forgetting about the case where you don't have a selection. So if I have an empty string in my clipboard, we'll run this method because and I think we will um if I have no text selected,
Yes.
if I'm trying to replace empty text, like a bunch of text with some empty text, whatever, that's when I don't know.
But
Maybe
like, I'm like, okay. Okay. I mean, here should be the example, right? previous text. Okay. What? Folding. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Wait.
I don't know.
Like,
I've got to hop on soon.
yeah, sorry. Yeah, we're over time. Like
Yeah.
the thing,
Thanks
the
for having
thing
me.
the thing that's confused. It's just like confusing to me because they have not added like there must be set
Oh,
selection.
can you scroll up just a little bit? Can we scroll up just a little bit to so yeah, that's new. What was it doing before? Oh, we weren't using this before.
Yes, at all. It's like it is in order so that the history works, right? Like, but for I was just looking, and this is why I wanted to look at the MR. So this is newly introduced here. It's like not moved or anything. The question would be like there should be a test for it, and maybe from the test it's clearer. Insert text removes the selected text, but using fallback,
Oh, that's
using exec,
using the exec command if you go up.
yeah, using exec command. Okay, returns true.
Yeah. So
One.
look, that's this I think this
Like
implies
this
these.
is unclear to me. Like why?
Well, what do you mean? What do you mean why?
I don't get because like this function is there in order to insert text, right? Like the function, like if you are somewhere in a comment, the function insert text is in order to insert text. Which one of these would insert an empty string? Like this not empty string, this not empty string, this not empty string, this is not an 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 empty string. Why? Like, why did someone add, hey, we add an empty string? Like, why is the
I would
case
it
there?
ever happen? I don't know, man, but I think it's related to that big 200 line method, insert markdown text, that clearly sometimes throws an empty string in there. You know, I think in the legacy code, you just can't make any assumptions on it. It's all wild.
I mean, the people are still here. We can ask them. Like, what? Like, I'm just trying to understand because I mean, who adds a condition that deleting text in like because this is about tests. Yeah, again, this is like it's like if text empty return like maybe x in like y.
Can you check the commit history? Maybe in a previous commit of this MR, there was, yeah, what does that one look like?
No, this is just like if it's a function, if text is a function.
Oh,
Yeah. So like this stuff.
oh, but wait, yeah, if text is a function. So when does text become a function? That's when we might get an empty one, right? Why in the world would text be a function?
Inserted text. Text. String or function. Insert text. Text before. Insert pasted text. Oh.
I think it's something
So
like
so it's about when I paste an empty string?
that. But I mean, like it might like figure itself out.
Like, jeez. Like insert text. So we have text to insert, like we have total removed text to insert. Yeah, I don't know.
That's the only time
How
that's weird.
select lines. Oh, outdent and indent. Why? Indent lines.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know.
So is this like if I have like how do I get something my clipboard empty?
You can programmatically get your clipboard empty.
Yeah, but I don't know. Okay. It feels weird. Like
Do you
yeah.
mind if I ping you as a reviewer?
Yeah, sure. Like, but I would really also love I mean Brett is still here.
Yeah, I'm
Simon
gonna
is still
ping.
here.
I'll ping.
Ping them and because I really want to understand why this is a thing.
Yeah, I yeah, I don't think it makes sense, but I'm also like not even gonna try to make sense out of it. I'm in legacy code mode, and it's like we just try to.
Yeah, but like I feel like checking on something else, like because even this one, like insert text, inserts the given plain text at insertion point. I feel like if you have an empty string, this one these should be equivalent, right? But maybe I'm wrong.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll ping Brett. He might know that. He might remember the context. But
Yeah.
yeah,
And I mean, this is also talking about browser versions which we don't even support anymore, right? Like, so you might be able to get rid of this whole workaround
that'd be cool. I'm gonna
and go
let
back
I'm gonna
to the
let
state
Brett.
that,
Yeah, I'm gonna let Brett.
yeah.
I'm gonna let him figure that one out. But I do like the idea of we shouldn't even be running this, and we
Yeah,
could.
that's true as well.
So cool.
Yeah, cool. Have a good one.
Thanks.
Bye.
You know, see you.